Hello lovely people, my name is Alyssa and today I am doing a review of the RoseMarie Seoir Happy Bag or Lucky Pack. If you're not familiar with what Lucky Packs are, Japanese companies will sometimes package up all the stuff that didn't sell in the last year, put it all in bags, and then sell it for a much lower cost. It's a good time to grab a lot of like wardrobe fillers, and if you're new to the fashion, it's a good way to like build your wardrobe really quickly. And typically they will put whatever they want in it to get it to a certain value. But this year I decided to try out their Lucky Pack because they've made the change of allowing you to pick one pair of shoes and specify the size and color that you want. So I figured if I got to pick out the shoes, I would get at least one item that I would definitely like, and the rest of the pack could be like whatever, because the value of the pair of shoes is already the cost of the entire bag itself. So let's get right to it, and I'm going to show off all the items that I got. So first we have the shoes. They came in this cute little box. On the bottom of the box there are a lot of care instructions that you can read through if you know Japanese. I don't. The shoes themselves are gorgeous and true to size. The gold flakes do come off with a bit of force, so you just kind of have to be careful about that. They're a much darker gold than I expected, which you can kind of see in comparison to these AP Glitter Party Heel replicas that I have. I'm so excited to wear these outside, but I can't because, Item number 2, we have this coat. So this coat is sort of the big ticket item of my order. It's called the... Oh, there's so much French in this video. The Chat Noir. It's called the Black Cat Coat. I'm not really a fan of it because, look at these sleeves. Look at it. Look at it. It reaches mid-forearm on me. Don't get me wrong, it's a cute jacket. It's just, 1, it doesn't fit me, and 2, I don't really have any use for a jacket like it. It's kind of warm, so it'd be a nice, like, spring or fall jacket. But I live in Edmonton, so those don't exist. Let's get on to the jewelry now. So this is the part that I was most excited about for this order. So the first item is this necklace, which is incredibly gorgeous. It's a little cherry necklace. It's got the brand name in a little heart. And it's just a set of cherries attached to an arrow. Not sure what the theme of this is, but it's cute. Our second piece of jewelry is this gold heart necklace. I am a big fan of the color red, and this tiny little necklace is so cute, and just so happens to go with a lot of what I wear daily. One thing though is that the cross kind of looks like an anchor. Moving on to hair accessories, we have a little arrow that's attached to a bobby pin. Pretty basic. Next up is this giant cross. It's freaking huge. It has a little barrette attachment at the back. It seems like they've got a lot of arrows this year. So our third piece is a heart with an arrow through it. And it's a very pretty pink color. It's difficult to see when it's not in the light. It's so sparkly, and it's just a cute tiny little hair decoration that you can wear daily. Our final item is this set of clip-on earrings. I really am not a fan of clip-on earrings. They're so painful and I can't wear them for long periods of time, so I might end up removing this and making it a regular pair of earrings. But I do really love the design of these. One thing that I'll note is that it's really difficult to get the pearls to stay in the right place. One more thing. This isn't an item that really contributes to the value of the Lucky Pack, but they did send me a free little shopping bag. Oh my god, so I put on all the jewelry from the Lucky Pack just to see how it would look. And now I am fully pimped out. So if you're wondering why I've been dressed entirely different throughout this video from the beginning of the video, it's because when I finished all the videos of the items, and after filming the intro, I had to like leave immediately to go substitute in for a dance class. Oh my god, it's falling off. When I got back, it was like super dark and I was super lazy. So my final thoughts on the syrup or RoseMarie Seoir Lucky Pack are, 1, that it's a really good value, so I sort of tallied up the prices of the items from what I could find on their site and from like remaining pages on Wonderwelt that have the out of stock items, and they do total to around the promised value of 60,000 yen. The Lucky Pack itself was 20,000 yen, so it's a really, really good deal. The items have all been not like high tier jewelry quality, but like they're good for what I paid, which was not a whole lot. All the jewelry has been super duper cute. I love it all and I would wear all of it. With the exception of the coat, which was the one sort of like failed item in the entire pack. Sizing is always the thing that will get you in lucky packs. I am like a pretty average size for Japanese fashion, so normally I don't have any trouble with clothing. There are two measurements that usually get me, and it's shoulder width and arm length. So I just happened to get one of the few items on their site that wouldn't fit me because of the sleeves. I'm probably going to sell off the coat or give it to a friend. I'll put my Kmarket in the description below if you're interested in buying this coat. Overall, I think it was a really, really good haul. The jewelry's crazy cute, and I'm not gonna get over that. Anyways, I hope this review was helpful to you in any way, or at least fun to watch. Thank you for sitting through the whole thing, and I'll see you next time. This video has so many French words that I can't say properly. What the